Welcome to NextTrader Bot, your all-in-one platform for automated trading. This is your dashboard. From here, you can import a bot from your computer, build one from scratch, or start instantly with a ready-made strategy. Down below, you'll find all your saved bots, along with when they were last modified and their current status. Let's start with the free bots section. Here, you'll find hundreds of ready-to-use bots, over 700 of them. Up top are the trending bots that traders are using right now, marked as hot or most used. You can filter by type, rise-fall, over-under, even-odd, match-differ, and more. When you find one you like, just click Load Bot and it's ready to go. Next, the Premium Bots collection. With an active Premium Pass, you unlock over 500 advanced strategies, including indicator-based bots using RSI, MACD, moving averages, and Bollinger bands, plus exclusive Forex bots. These are our most refined, higher-performance strategies, and loading one works exactly the same way. Now let's look at how a bot actually works. This is the Quick Strategy Builder. Every bot is made of simple blocks. Here, in Run Once at Start, you set your key parameters, your initial stake, your stop loss, your take profit, and your martingale factor. Below that, the trade options define the duration and stake, and the purchase conditions decide when the bot enters a trade. You can adjust any of these values to fit your own risk level. When you're ready, just hit Run. The bot goes live and starts placing trades automatically. Over on the right, the Transactions panel shows every contract in real time. Your entry and exit spots, the buy price, and the profit or loss on each trade. At the bottom, you can track your total stake, payout, wins, losses, and overall profit as the bot works. Let's break down the trade parameters. This bot trades on derived indices, the volatility 100, 1-second index, using a digits even-odd strategy. You can set the contract type, the candle interval, and how the bot should react if a trade doesn't go through. This is where you tailor the bot to the exact market and trade type you want. As the bot keeps running, you can watch the results build up trade by trade. Each row is a completed contract, and the running totals update live, so you always know exactly how your strategy is performing without lifting a finger. Here's the complete structure of a bot. Beyond the entry rules, there are restart trading conditions. The logic that manages your stake after each result, checks whether your take profit or stop loss has been hit, and decides whether to continue or stop. This is what keeps your bot disciplined and running to your plan. And if you ever need help, head to the More menu and open Tutorials and Guides. You'll find step-by-step walkthroughs and videos covering everything from building your first bot to using advanced strategies. That's NextTrader Bot, powerful automated trading made simple. Start building yours today at nexttrader.live. Trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Only trade with money you can afford to lose.